Welcome to Blue Cross Blue Shield of Arizona, or AZ Blue. Today, let's talk about high deductible health plans, also called HDHPs. First, what is a deductible? A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance benefits kick in. With an HDHP, your annual deductible is generally higher than most other plans, but you'll pay lower monthly premiums in return. Employers sometimes offer HSAs and/or FSAs along with an HDHP to their employees. An HSA is a health savings account. When you open a health savings account, you'll get a debit card. When you or your employer deposits funds into your HSA, you can use that debit card to pay for qualified medical expenses. These contributions can be used to pay for medical, dental, and vision care expenses, prescription drugs, and other out-of-pocket healthcare costs. However, you cannot use it to pay for your premium. If you use the money for expenses that are not eligible, like groceries or gas, for example, you could face tax penalties. There's no minimum amount of money needed to open your HSA, but there is a maximum amount you can deposit each year. But don't worry, if you don't use all of the money in your HSA by the end of the year, it will roll over to the next year. 100% of the money you put in your HSA is excluded from your taxable income, up to the limit set under federal law. Your money can also earn interest if you invest it. The earnings are tax deferred. That means you don't have to pay federal income taxes on the interest as long as it stays in your account, or you use the money for eligible expenses. Also, the HSA account belongs to you, which means you can keep using it even if you change health plans, employers, or even leave your job. What about an FSA, or flexible spending account? Here's how an FSA works. FSAs allow employees to use pre-tax dollars to pay for their qualifying medical expenses, but an FSA account does not earn interest, and the funds do not roll over. You must use all of the funds in the account by the end of the year. It also doesn't come with you if you change plans or employers. For the most current contribution limits and rules, visit irs.gov. For more information about how to use your plan, call the number on the back of your member ID card or visit azblue.com.